My name is Kathan Agarwal, and this will be the intermediate video of our chat app tutorial series that I'll be sharing you that what issues or what common issues that I faced using macOS while setting up PHP project using XAMPP binary installer. So first and foremost, we will see how the binary installer works, or maybe I'll guide you and also let you know from where you can install it. So here is the site. You can go to getsmc.com. You can go to download and then macOS, and then I'll prefer this one to download the Mac binary installer for Mac. As I'll share you that Git Bash is primarily a Windows tool, and it is not natively available or necessary in macOS because macOS already includes Unix based terminal that supports all standard Git commands and shell scripting as well. But but switching to Bash ensures a consistent environment for commands, script, and tutorials, uh, which is designed for Bash. So what you have to do is, after downloading it, you have to, as you can see on my screen, that mm, uh, my system is already running on Bash, but it shows the default interactive shell is now ZSH, which you can also change um, by pressing or by opening the command palette, which is Command Shift and P, which by which you can select the like main repository. uh, Moving forward to the next is, after installing, you have to enter this code chsh -s bin and zsh. As I already told you that Mac has its own ZHS which is compatible, but preferred is to use git bash. And now if you will restart, as mine is already on the bash, so if you restart now it will be shifting to bash. Now let's understand, like, if you are coming from Windows environment where you used git bash, you are likely used to the bash shell syntax, which is tools like ls, grep, vim, and etc. Running git command in Unix like terminal is, like, as I told you, Mac terminal already uses ZSH, and it is since macOS Catalina, and it is very similar to the same. Now if you like, you will of course use the same thing, same git bash, in connecting your VS Code as well. So what you have to do is you have to set your name and email globally. So for example, you have to put git config global user dot name, and here your name, like that. And same you can add after pressing the enter, you can straight away copy the same line, and you can write uh, your email .com, something like that. Like, just add your email right there, so it will be connecting to your git, and this will help you or won't give you error at the time of committing it, because at the time of committing it, when your VS Code is directly connected to GitHub, it will give you error that please enter your name and email address to verify and to commit. So your commits will always be successful after that. Coming on to the next part, which is which is the permission levels of the Mac. So when I was implementing my code, doing my code and everything, some files, something was not showing me. For example, CSS files were not showing me when I was doing it, and when I was reloading it to the web page, it wasn't showing the change. So I googled it and I found that I should use this kind of permission and target the folder to change the permission. So let's understand what exactly this sudo chmod -r 777 folder targets. So it gives a full read, write, execute uh, permission and to everyone, and you can use it and when temporary testing during development when other permissions aren't required. You will often face a permission denied error in Mac and need a quick workaround, so you can use this code, but I would suggest that uh, keep caution while using this code on live servers because it's not secure. And we have one more code which says that chmod -r 755. So which is uh, what it does is, for owner it will read, write and execute, but for group and others it will only read and execute. So when you can use it when you have to uh, read or execute file or folder on Apache on or any of the web servers, and you still want to retain write control only for yourself, not as a owner. This would be the default secure permission for most web projects, and it lets the server access and server files without the public write access. So let's understand here. If you use terminal and cd the location of file folders, so for example, uh, just for instance, I'll open my terminal, and what I have to do is cd. I have to use cd. Firstly, let's see where is my file. cd. I'll be going to application XAMPP. So what I'll do is I'll write first applications, then as we entered XAMPP, and then we will enter htdocs. So see, but for example if you just enter this much, it will ask you the folder as well. Now for example I write htdocs, so no command found. Sorry, I'll copy this whole and I'll paste it here again, and now you can directly put the code. And my targeted folder would be this one, chatapp tutorial, and I'll be just writing this, and it will ask you the password. You have to just enter it. It won't show you on the screen that you are typing, and as I've already added the same code before, so it will show me that sudo command not found, but it is already working on my system as I've done multiple times before as well. So thank you so much guys. I hope that these things will be most necessary for the Mac users, as macOS has several problems with Git, with VS Code, and with installing the Git binary installer as well. You can also go with the Xcode installer uh, as you wish. But this is what I did before starting my project, and in the middle of the project as well, because I got many denied requests and my code wasn't working. So I just Google it and I found that this kind of thing works pretty well. So best of luck guys. I hope that you will be able to do it. Thank you.